is a whole number. You didn't read the question correctly, statement correctly. You were
Oh,
just confused. That's what, like, I was also thinking that I think she got confused while reading the answer question statement.
I thought it was, is every whole number a natural
No,
number?
no, no, no. That was, is every natural number a whole number or not? So obviously it's a whole, because only we are talking about that. Basically, whole number is this, whole number bag is this. Okay, all this, and you are saying that if remove the zero only, every natural number is a whole number. Obviously, yes.
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
But the last question, the axiom one, which you have to prove, I think the line part, this was C and D and AB. That was the question I've already taken in the school, not in the school, in the class. So why didn't you solve it correctly, dear? That was not a proof that I have given you in this class.
Okay.
Yes, that I've written, I've checked copy very honestly. I gave lenient marks as well. I've given marks to you if you have given the if you have written the given things as well. I've given 1 marks to you. Some, because it's a step marking, but sometimes teacher don't give the marks at all. So okay, so keep that thing in mind, dear.
Okay.
The thing that I'm basically giving you in the class, and I am giving some question and taking some question, are very important as well. You have to practice them after we have done after this class. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
I hope that you will perform a little bit more better in the next exam, the coming one, which will be after, not this Friday, after this Friday. Like,
Okay.
day after tomorrow will be a Friday, but not this one, our next one. Yeah.
Okay. Yes.
So let's solve this question. So P of X is given as, okay, okay, Simran. And Simran, one more thing is that the way I write in the class is the proper method of writing solution in a school exam. I basically strictly follow the CBSE pattern so that you score good marks each and every, because that's my first rule. I don't go beyond the NCERT and beyond the CBSE pattern. Even if I solve RD, I follow the CBSE pattern, how to write the answer, what is the art of writing answer. So keep focus on these things, how I write the answer, how I write each and everything, and how I define the things. Because that's why I write the answer. And dear, I can write in any way, but that would be not beneficial for you. I write in a way so that you can score good marks. Any teacher cannot raise your step method. You can say, like, none of the teacher can say that your steps are not correct if you write the way I write. Okay.
Okay.
Try to improve the step methods of your answer sheet writing. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
How much did you score? Let me give you. I think you have scored 16 out of 30.
16.
16.
Hmm.
Is that a good marks?
No.
No, na?
No.
Okay. Try hard, work hard for the next exam. Next exam is coming in a 10 days or 12 days only. 9 to 10 days, I think. So I will, okay, focus that thing.
Yes.
Very good. Okay. But in the first attempt, you have done a very great thing. You have, or you can say, learned a lot in the classes. That's a very good thing. Just a little bit more effort from your side here. Okay. Okay, dear. So what we need to do is that how to split it, multiply this 6 5s are 30. 6 5s are 30. Take LCM of it. 2 5s 15, 3 and 5. Okay. So,
Okay.
and 5. This will be 1. So you have got what? 2 into 5. Clear? Yes or no, Simrat?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Just a second. Did I write in this correct way? 2 5s are 30. 13, 50, 30. And 15 into 2. Okay, yes, I've written it in a correct. Sorry. So Simrat, we have to basically how to say, write it. We have to split this term in such a manner that if we add the terms, splitted terms, we get 17x. And if we multiply them, we should get 30x square. Clear? So dear,
30x
now try to make pairs of this. 55 into 3. 5 into 3 is what?
15,
15. And 15 into 2,
30,
30. If you add them, what you will get?
17.
17. So that is the most, you can say, the most safest method while finding out the pairs. You should take LCM and try to pair these terms, the LCM part, in such a manner that when you multiply them, you should get the A into C, and when you add them, you should get the middle term. Got it?
Yes.
So can I write this as 6x square plus 15x plus 2x plus 5?
Yes.
Yes. What is
Yes.
common here?
X.
Only x is common. I think 3 is also common because 6 also comes in 3 table, 15 also comes in 3 table.
Yes.
So 3x will be there. So 2x will be left inside and 5 will be left inside. Is there anything common? No, only 1 is common. Nothing is common here. Yes or no, Simrat?
Yes.
Very good. So inside 2x plus 5 will be left. These two pairs should be same. If they are not same, which means that means you have not splitted the term correctly.
Okay.
Clear? These two terms should be same. So when you take these two terms common out, you will get 3x plus 1.
1.
Yes, Samrat?
Yes.
So this is the factorization. And if you need to find out 0 of the polynomials, how will you do that?
By
Equating them to 0. You have to equate each factor to 0.
0.
Okay?
Yes.
So these are your 0 of the polynomials. Clear?
Yes.
Any doubt here?
No.
Okay, that's good. Just give me a second. Let me take one more example. In this, you will try to solve this the way I've given you the LCM part. If I give you 2 minutes, can you only just split the term at least?
Okay.
If not, you are not able to solve it in this time, but try to split the terms in a correct manner so that we can find out the zeros or factorize them.
Okay.
Okay, Simrat, do that, dear. Yes, Simran. Any answer? Have you done that?
No,
It's an
I'm
easy
trying
one.
to split.
It's an easy one. Okay, just look at the screen. Okay, no need. Just look at the screen. I will solve it for you. Okay. Not P of X, P of Y. Y square minus 5y plus 6. Okay. That's your polynomial. So you have to split, you have to basically multiply the 6 into 1. 6 will be there. So you have to split this term so that when you multiply them, it should be 6. And when you add them, it should be 5. Yes or no, Simran?
Yes.
So 6, can I take LCM of 6? 2 3s are 6 and 3 1s are 3. So only 2 pairs are there. Only 1 pair, sorry. So you have to basically multiply it. 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6 now. Add them. 2 plus 3.
5.
You have got the pair. I've told you to do this in this manner.
Yes.
Why have you done that thing in this manner?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, no issues. Okay, no issues here. Y square minus 3y minus 2y plus 6. So y is common here only. Y minus 3 will be here. And here 2 is common. So now, dear, if I have to make this term here, I should be same term should be there. So if I take minus 2 common here, so minus 3 will be left inside. Minus 2 into minus 3 is what? Plus 6.
Yes.
If I have to make a plus sign, like if I write this thing and minus 2 is common here, minus 2 into y, minus 2. Okay. Minus 2 into minus 3 plus 6, which means that I have made the pairs correctly.
Yes.
Whenever you get confused, try to multiply them. Use your basic concepts which I have given to you. I have given every basic concept not here. How to find, how to multiply with element in the bracket.
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
So now can you do that?
Yes.
Take the words common here. Take the factors common here. Y minus 3 is common. What you will be having inside? Y minus 2. So these are the factors.
Yes.
Okay. So if what you need to do to find out the 0 of the polynomial, y minus 3 should be equals to 0 and y minus 2 should be equals to 0. So it should be y equals to 3 and y equals to 2. Okay, dear, that's how you will. When you put this value in the polynomial, both the values will make the polynomial 0. That's why it is called them as 0 of the polynomial. Clear, dear?
Yes.
Any doubt, dear?
No.
Sure?
Yes.
Okay, very good.
Sir, in exam or last exam in
Yeah.
school, we don't have to write the zeros. We just leave it at like y minus 3 into y minus 2. We
In the
just leave it
last
there. We
exam,
don't,
when?
uh, in our school,
Okay. That
we
was
don't
periodic
have
test.
to write. Yes, that was pre-midterm.
So no issues, dear. Only you, if you take this thing here only, only 2 steps. If suppose the questions comes out to be that find out the 0 of the polynomial, you have done the thing here till now. What do you need to do? You just have to equate them to 0 to find out the polynomial. Only one step is left. If the question says just factorize them. If the question says find out the polynomial, 0 of the polynomial, just equate the factor to 0.
Okay.
Any doubt?
No.
Clear?
Yes.
Okay. So just give me a second so that I can take one more example. After that, Okay, I'm giving you one example. Just solve it on your own. Giving you 2 minutes because I hope that you've got the point how to solve the question. Yes or no, Simrat?
Yes.
Okay, just give me a second. 12x square minus 7x plus 1. I think I've taken the example. Okay, I've taken this in the previous class. Just a second. Let me take once again. Which one should be there? Yeah, so I've got the another one. This is so this is solve it.
Okay.
I've already made the pairs. I've already split the 5 into somehow. When you will practice, you can do in your mind. You don't need pen or paper, anything.
I
Try
have
to.
one.
Yes, dear.
When we multiply, do we write like 1 minute? 6 into 6 is 36. So do we write 36 x square or just 36?
So, dear, while multiplying, basically while taking LCM, just take 36 because x square is a little bit complex LCM type. Okay, just take only 36. When you will take 36 and take LCM of it, you just have to basically break that term into so that you can get the middle term. When you add them, you should get the middle term. So you just accordingly add multiply x to the term. Suppose you have got in the previous example, what we have got 2 and 3. 2 into 3 was 6. So I've just what? I've made 2 plus 3x to make the term with multiplied with x so that you can get the middle term. Now take LCM and let me know.
Okay.
So Simrat, right now are you enjoying maths or not? So do you have fears? Still have fear?
No.
So are you comfortable with maths right now?
Yes.
A little, like I know that it takes a little bit time to understand and you can say be comfortable with maths, but still, are you right now the fear that you have in the start and right now, what do you think?
I'm better in maths now.
You are better in maths now. Very good.
Yes. Wait, I have one doubt
Yes,
in
go ahead.
this. I got one pair like 6x square plus 2x.
Mhm. So have
If
you
I take
now,
if I
Simrat?
take
Okay, go ahead. Okay, tell me first without, okay, no issues. If you take,
if, if I take 2 common, do I write just x or 1x?
okay, Simrat, tell me first, how did you split 5x? Tell me, what are
Uh,
the two terms in which you have splitted 5x?
First I took LCM.
What is the LCM of the, have you take pairs?
Yes.
So what are the pairs of this? How, so first, what are, like, how did you find out whether you have done it correct or not? You just multiply the two pairs. If you have got 36, multiplying and adding them, you will get basically what, 5?
Yes.
Yes or not?
Yes.
Tell me what is the answer here for then?
Wait, adding them I need to get 5.
And multiply them should get 100. We should get 36.
Wait, multiply I got 36, but adding it's
Okay.
not 5.
Okay, no issues. Okay. Let me give you one thing. I think you're
Okay.
still a little bit confused about this. 6 into minus 6, what you will get? Minus 36, yes or no?
36, yes.
2 into minus 18. 2 into 18 to the 36, na?
Yes.
2 nines are 18. Yes or no?
Yes.
3 threes are minus 9.
Yes.
And you can say minus 1. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. Now take and minus 1 into 1. So now you have 5 members. The LCM is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into minus 1. Okay, because minus sign, I'm saying taking minus sign because 5 cannot, like one term, like if I split 5 in such a manner, so one term should be greater than 5, from which I have to subtract something so that it can become 5. Now if
I didn't
Simrat,
take minus 6.
okay, Simrat, 1 into 4, you can either take, you can either say that 1 into 4, 4, and 4 plus 1, 5. You are adding 4 plus 1, 5, you are getting the middle term, but you are not getting the 36 if multiplying with 4 into 1. So which means that one of the terms should be greater than 5. Clear?
Yes.
Okay. Now Simrat, tell me 4 and this minus 9. So basically it's 4 positive 5. So if I take 9 and minus of 4, 9 minus 4, what you will get, dear?
5.
Isn't it 5?
Yes.
9 into 4, what you will get? 36. Minus of 4,
36.
you will get minus 36. Have you got it? How did we find out? How did we figure it out?
Yes.
Just taking LCM is the most simplest way to find out the factors. You just have to rearrange the thing so that you can get the factors.
I
Clear?
didn't take negative 6.
Okay. If you take positive as well, okay, let me tell you if I take positive.
I got the same numbers except minus 1.
Okay, dear. If I take only 36 as positive, no issues. 218, 29, 3, 3, 3. Okay. So what you have got? 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Okay. 4 and 9. 9 into 4, 36. Which means that you have got 36. Which means that you are getting the multiplication term, multiplicative term. So now just be normally, if you think that if I subtract 9 minus 4, can I get 5? Obviously, yes. Which means that one term you can split 5 as you just already, it's just, I'm saying that maths is nothing but playing with number. Yes or no?
Yes.
Clear? If you take even positive sign, you can also think with a logical thinking. If you are getting the 36 as the multiplicative term, you just think that okay, मेरे पास 9 और 4 है. अगर मैं 9 में से 4 को minus subtract करूं तो मेरे पास 5 आ जाएगा. Which means that मेरा pairing हो गया. I've got my pairing. Clear? So your answer will be clear. What is
Yes.
common here?
3
Only 3.
and 6.
So that a little bit more attention towards the question.
3 and 6.
3 and 6, how dear?
3 and x, sorry.
2x will be left inside and plus 3 will be left here. So if I have to basically make this term should be here so that I can take common. So what you need to take common, minus 2 or positive 2? Okay, just write the same term here as it is. Okay, first write the same term here as it is. Now, if you multiply positive 2 with this term, will you get negative 4 and negative 6 if you multiply a positive thing?
No.
You will need a negative 2 to take out common. So you will take negative 2 common here. So if you multiply this minus 2 into positive 2x, you will get minus 4. And if they multiply, you will get minus 6. Clear?
Yes.
That's how you will do that. I've taken every single step, my dear. Why are you not able to understand? Try to a little bit more attentive in the class. Okay?
Yes.
That's not good. Okay?
Yes.
So you have got your factors. Yes or no, Simran?
Yes.
So you have got your factors. And if you need to find out the zero of the polynomial, what you will do? Just equate them to zero. Is this a very heavy task?
No.
It will take only 30 seconds. Now, dear, tell me, did you understand it, how to find out the factor? Now, simply just you can think about it that 5x को हम इस तरीके से कैसे तोड़ सकते हैं? Like अगर हमें 5x को 36 इस तरीके से तोड़ना है कि वो 36 को मल्टीप्लाई करने पे आ जाए, तो एक टर्म बड़ा होना चाहिए और एक टर्म छोटा होना चाहिए, तभी हमारे पास 36 आएगा. क्योंकि 5 को हम किसी भी तरीके से स्प्लिट करें, वो 36 नहीं बन सकता. तो विच मीन्स दैट एक टर्म हमारा जो होगा वो बड़ा होगा और एक टर्म हमारा छोटा होगा मैग्नीट्यूड में. तो जब मुझे पता चला 9 4 36, ओके मेरे पास 9 4 36 आ रहा है और मैं इन दोनों को माइनस करूं तो मेरे पास 5 आ रहा है. तो यानी कि अगर मैं 9 को पॉजिटिव रखूं, अब ये आपके क्वेश्चन पे डिपेंड रखता है कि आपको नेगेटिव लेना है 9 या पॉजिटिव. ये क्वेश्चन में 5x पॉजिटिव था तो 9 पॉजिटिव में होना चाहिए, तभी आपके पास आंसर पॉजिटिव आएगा.
Yes.
हाँ है ना?
Yes.
Yes, okay. Is that clear?
Yes.
Okay. Let's understand what is factor theorem.
Factor theorem.
Factor theorem is a kind of same thing. Factor theorem is nothing but Simrat. That's why I've taken the first middle term split with like before the factor theorem. In the NCERT, factor theorem is before the middle term split. But when you understand the middle term and factors thing in the starting, you will be easily understand. You can understand easily the factor theorem. Clear? So dear, tell me. So factor theorem says that if Simrat, are you there?
Yes.
So factor theorem says that if Px is a polynomial of degree n greater than or equal to 1. So at least the value of n means degree. Here degree represents the n.
Okay.
ये जो polynomial की डिग्री होनी चाहिए वो या तो 1 हो या 1 से बड़ी हो in this case. Okay, and A is any real number, then अब हमारी फर्स्ट पार्ट आता है इसमें x minus a is a factor of px अगर x minus a px पॉलिनोमियल का फैक्टर है बेसिकली अगर हमारा पॉलिनोमियल px 0 हो जाता है उस फैक्टर को रखने के बाद तो यानी कि वो हमारा x बेसिकली अगर हम x इसको 0 से इक्वेट करें तो हमारा x इक्वल्स टू a आएगा या नहीं? यस और नो सिमरन?
यस.
ओके अगर हम x की जगह a पुट करें और हमारा पॉलिनोमियल 0 बन रहा है तो इसका मतलब है कि x माइनस a फैक्टर है px का. x माइनस a उस पॉलिनोमियल का फैक्टर है. यही चीज हम यहाँ भी कर रहे हैं ना डियर. अगर ये फैक्टर है और हम इसको 0 से इक्वेट करें जो भी वैल्यू आएगी अगर हम वो पॉलिनोमियल में रख दें तो पॉलिनोमियल 0 बनेगा या नहीं?
यस.
ऑब्वियसली यस. तो यानी कि हमारा ये वाला ये चीज अगर हम इसको यहाँ ऐसे रख दूं मैं अगर मैं ये कहूं और इसकी वैल्यू आ गई मेरे पास -3/2 अगर मैं ये वैल्यू पॉलिनोमियल में रख दूं तो पॉलिनोमियल 0 होगा या नहीं?
Yes.
होगा. तो मैं ये कह सकता हूं कि ये चीज फैक्टर है पॉलिनोमियल की जब भी तो वो 0 बना रहा है. राइट और रॉन्ग?
Yes.
आपको ये समझ में आया?
Yes.
पक्का? श्योर?
Yes.
Simran, I want honest answer. I don't want any flattering answer like yes sir, yes sir, yes sir. I want honest answer. आपको समझ में आया या नहीं?
Yes.
तो मैं ये कह सकता हूँ ना कि अगर वैल्यू हमारी अगर उस फैक्टर की वैल्यू हमारी पॉलिनोमियल को 0 बना रही है तो वो हमारा फैक्टर है पॉलिनोमियल का तभी तो वो 0 बना रहा है ना.
Yes.
सेकंड कंडीशन आती है. सेकंड कंडीशन नॉट सेकंड कंडीशन सेकंड स्टेटमेंट इस तरीके से भी कह सकते हैं हम इसको ऐसे ए अगर हमारा अगर x माइनस ए फैक्टर है पॉलिनोमियल का px 0 होना चाहिए इफ x माइनस ए फैक्टर है पॉलिनोमियल का. अब चाहे इसको ऐसे कह लो चाहे इसको ऐसे कह लो दो तरीके से हम कह सकते हैं. ऑब्वियसली अगर हमारा px अगर हमारा x माइनस से फैक्टर होगा पॉलिनोमियल का हमने पिछले टर्म में यही तो कहा कि अगर हमारा पॉलिनोमियल 0 हो रहा है और तो यानी कि वो x माइनस से हमारा फैक्टर है पॉलिनोमियल का. नेक्स्ट स्टेटमेंट में हम क्या कह रहे हैं कि अगर हमारा x माइनस से फैक्टर है तो वो पॉलिनोमियल को 0 बना देगा. तो दोनों चीज जस्ट चाहे आप कान ऐसे पकड़ो या ऐसे पकड़ो बात एक है. ऐसे पकड़ो या ऐसे पकड़ो दैट्स द सेम थिंग. Simrat, yes or no dear? Any doubt in this?
No.
Sure?
Yes.
Okay. So that's what factor theorem is. It's a very easy theorem. It's look like that it's a very difficult thing and how will solve. Very basic thing. Very basic. You just have to put the value. Just we have done in the previous thing now. We have to find out whether the polynomial, like whether the specific values are 0 of the polynomial or not in the previous examples, starting examples. Verifies 2 and 0 are polynomial or not. तो जीरो ऑफ द पॉलिनोमियल और नॉट, व्हाट हमने क्या किया, सिर्फ वैल्यू पुट की,
Yes.
यस और नो?
Yes.
ये हमने यहाँ पे -2 और +2 को पुट किया इस वाले पॉलिनोमियल में, तो हमें फाइंड आउट करना था कि कौन सा वाला इसमें से पॉलिनोमियल का जीरो है। तो हमने वैल्यू पुट करके आंसर निकाल दिया कि हाँ भाई -2 इज द जीरो ऑफ द पॉलिनोमियल। क्लियर? So similar thing goes in this. We have to just verify whether it's a factor. If it's a factor, so it will make the polynomial zero. And if the polynomial is zero, then that means that x minus a is the factor. Both the statements are just vice versa. Opposite है एक दूसरे के, but meaning same है. अगर पहले ही कह दिया कि polynomial का ये factor है, तो यानी कि वो polynomial को zero बनाएगा. पहली statement कहती है. दूसरी स्टेटमेंट कहती है कि अगर पॉलिनोमियल जीरो है तो यानी कि ये गारंटी है इस पॉलिनोमियल का फैक्टर होगा। तो किसी क्वेश्चन में फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट वैलिड होगी, किसी बेसिकली ये टू टाइप्स के क्वेश्चन बनते हैं इस पे। तो किसी उसमें फर्स्ट टाइप की सिचुएशन आएगी, फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट की सिचुएशन, किसी क्वेश्चन में सेकंड स्टेटमेंट की सिचुएशन आएगी। इस वजह से दो स्टेटमेंट्स गिवन है। श्योर बिल्कुल फाइनल, लाइक any doubt, even single doubt in this?
No.
Sure?
Yes.
Okay, that's great. Let's take some questions so that you can understand. Actually, my throat is a little bit, you can say, not well because of the pollution right now in India is on its peak. So I'm having a little bit kind of cough. That's why I need to speak with a much more effort than usual. Yeah. So ये question है हमारे पास सिमरत. Simrat, are you fine that I speak Hindi and English right now? Because some of the things that like कुछ चीजें ऐसी होती है जो कभी कभार इंग्लिश में इतना अच्छा एक्सप्लेन हो जाता है, बट कभी कभार वो इतना like properly समझ नहीं आता. As you like, are you fine with that? Are you comfortable with it?
Yes.
Any problem in it?
No.
Okay, dear. Okay. So let's understand the thing. Okay, the question is saying that examine whether x plus 2 is a factor of x cube plus 3x plus 5x plus. So we have given two different polynomial. We have to find out is x plus 2 is a factor of this or not. So सिमरत, अगर ये फैक्टर है, which means that अगर हम इसकी वैल्यू निकालेंगे, x की वैल्यू क्या आएगी सिमरत? इस वाले पॉलिनोमियल से, इस वाले एक्सप्रेशन से, व्हाट शुड बी द वैल्यू ऑफ x?
2.
-2, dear. If you equate it to
Oh,
0,
-2. Oh, yeah. Oh,
got it?
yes.
So आपके पास ये वैल्यू आई, क्वेश्चन हमें कह रहा है कि हमें वेरीफाई करना है कि इन दोनों पॉलिनोमियल का फैक्टर है या नहीं। तो अब हमारी फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट आती है कि अगर ये फैक्टर है तो ये पॉलिनोमियल को जीरो बनाएगा, विच मीन्स दैट इस वैल्यू पर पॉलिनोमियल हमारे दोनों जीरो बन जाएंगे। यस और नो?
Yes.
समझ में आया आपको फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट का क्वेश्चन कैसे करना है?
Yes.
So you will write in this way. How you will write?
P of x.
The zero of x plus 2 is -2. Yes or no, Simrat? How?
Yes.
Let me write it down
By
here.
equating to 0.
X will be -2. Clear?
Yes.
Okay. So it's saying that it is we have to identify whether it's a factor or not. If it's a factor, so can I write P of -2? P of -2. हमें यही तो वैल्यू पुट करके देखनी है, अगर ये P of -2 इक्वल आ गया 0 के, which means that ये फैक्टर है। Sure?
Yes.
सिमरत, please be honest. Sure?
Yes.
जो मैं कह रहा हूँ
Yes.
आपको समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes.
Okay. So put the value of -2. -2 cube plus 3 -2 square plus 5 इंटू -2 प्लस 6। समझ में आया मैंने कैसे रखा है इसको, कैसे पुट किया, सब्स्टिट्यूट किया? जस्ट कुछ नहीं, आपको x की जगह पे ही वैल्यू प्लेस करनी है। सो -2 क्यूब क्या वैल्यू क्या होगा स्मृत? Simran, what is the value of 2 cube? Plus just tell me what is the value of 2 cube?
The value of 2 cube.
Yes.
8.
8. Okay, value of 2 cube is 8. If it is minus, so what should be the value of -2 cube?
-8.
-8. Whenever the negative sign multiplies by an odd number, if you are having a odd power in multiplication, just a second, जब भी आप माइनस को ऑड टाइम्स मल्टीप्लाई करोगे ना सिमरत, आपका आंसर माइनस में आएगा। नाउ टेल मी 1 2 and 3 3 इज ऑड नंबर, इवन नंबर?
Odd.
ऑड को आपने देखा, माइनस को अगर हमने ऑड टाइम्स मल्टीप्लाई किया तो वो नेगेटिव आ रहा है, अगर आप माइनस को और इवन टाइम्स मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो वो पॉजिटिव आएगा। माइनस इंटू माइनस पॉजिटिव होता है ना, -2 square is 4, positive 4.
Yes.
So that's how you will identify whether it's negative or positive. Clear सिमरत?
Yes.
अब समझ में आया आपको कि आप जब भी आप कभी किसी भी नेगेटिव चीज का स्क्वायर करें, ऑड पावर करें, तो आपको कैसे पता लगेगा कि वो ऑड है या पॉजिटिव? अगर माइनस साइन ऑड टाइम्स मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है तो वो ऑड होगी उसकी वैल्यू, द आंसर विल बी इन नेगेटिव। इफ द माइनस साइन इज गेटिंग मल्टीप्लाइड बाय इवन टाइम, व्हिच मींस दैट आपकी वैल्यू पॉजिटिव होगी। क्लियर? -8 यहाँ पे आ गया आपका, 3 इंटू +4 और -4?
Positive.
Very good, positive, because even times multiply हो रहा है, plus not plus। 5 into -2, negative or positive?
Negative.
Negative। 10 plus 6 as it is, so -8 plus 12 minus 10 plus 6, so 12 and 6 positive 18, 10 and -8 18 equals to 0. So it means that हमारी फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट ट्रू हो गई है कि अगर ये फैक्टर हुआ तो पॉलिनोमियल को 0 बनाएगा। ऑब्वियसली ये 0 बना रहा है ये। क्लियर? यानी कि ये फैक्टर है इस वाले पॉलिनोमियल का। अब देखते हैं दूसरे वाले पॉलिनोमियल का फैक्टर है या नहीं। सपोज दैट पॉलिनोमियल इज s of x. Okay, so your polynomial is 2x plus 4. Can I take 2 common, Simrat? What will be inside?
-2.
I'm just taking 2 common. What will be inside in the bracket?
-2.
Why -2, Simrat? Focus on the question, dear. X plus 2 will be left ना। अगर मैंने 2 कॉमन लिया तो x एज इट इज रहेगा और यहाँ से 2 कॉमन आ जाएगा तो 2 बचेगा अंदर।
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
So आप मल्टीप्लाई करो 2 into x और प्लस 2 into 2 4 आएगा आपका आंसर। तो यही चीज तो आई ना।
Yes.
ओके, नाउ अब हमें क्या कहना है, अब हमें देखना है कि अगर ये फैक्टर हुआ तो -2 पर ये 0 कर देगा। -2 plus 2. Now Simran, tell me, -2 plus 2 0. 2 into 0 is 0.
0.
Clear?
Yes.
Which means that भाई इसको भी ये polynomial को 0 कर रहा है, which means that x plus 2 is the factor of both the polynomials. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes or no? So
Yes.
therefore, hence एंड इस वाले क्वेश्चन में तो आप बिना फैक्टर थ्योरम लगाए पता कर सकते थे। आप देखो सिमरत, आप टेकन 2 as कॉमन, सो x plus 2 is left, So now tell me, x plus 2 is there in the factor, yes or no, in the polynomial, which means that you
Yes.
can directly say yes, it is the factor of this polynomial, which means that it will make the polynomial 0.
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Any doubt?
No.
Sure?
Yes.
Any doubt?
No.
Okay, just a second. So clear, Simrat? Any doubt?
Yes.
Sure?
Yes.
Okay. Let's take last question of this class. And the kind of question is that it's NCERT example. मजा आ रहा है सिमरत इस चैप्टर में आपको?
Yes.
मैंने बताया ना आपको, देखो इस पे कितने न्यूमेरिकल्स की वैरायटी है. I've told you that many numerical, मतलब variety of numericals are there in the chapter here. So you have to revise and study this chapter in a deep manner. That's why I'm taking like it's our second class or third class of this chapter. I think it's our second.
Second.
Second, na? So I
Second.
think we need at least 1.5 class. So inshallah next the coming class will be of 1.5 hour if it's possible. So we'll be taking the class and we'll wrap up the chapter so that we can have time to complete the remaining 2 chapters of your syllabus. Inshallah. Okay, I will basically I will try my efforts, try my best to complete your syllabus on time, so that, but your responsibility is to revise and revise.
I don't like lines and angles and triangles.
But here they are coming in the exam. Okay, no issues. Nah. We will do.
Algebra is fun. Geometry is not fun.
Geometry is not fun. Okay, I will make the geometry fun. I will make the geometry fun. You will like it. We will study the geometry in a different manner. Don't worry. Clear?
Yes.
Let's take this example here. So the question is saying that find the value of k if x minus 1 is a factor of this. So second statement पे आओ सिमरत आप. Where is the second statement? पहले ही कह दिया क्वेश्चन में कि अगर हमारा x माइनस, इसने पहले ही कह दिया क्वेश्चन में कि x माइनस 1 फैक्टर है तो पॉलिनोमियल 0 हो जाएगा.
Yes.
और फिर सेकंड स्टेटमेंट ना,
Yes.
इसने कह दिया कि p of x 0 होगा अगर हमारा x माइनस से फैक्टर हुआ. तो सेम चीज ही तो है. इसने कह दिया कि x माइनस 1 हमारा फैक्टर, तो हमें क्या निकालना है, इसकी वैल्यू निकालनी है k की. सो सिमरत कैन आई राइट p of x equals to 0? Why? Yes or no?
How?
x माइनस 1 अगर फैक्टर है इस पॉलिनोमियल का, तो हमारा x माइनस 1 जब हम रखेंगे तो p of x तो 0 आएगा ना.
Yeah.
p of x 0 होना चाहिए, तभी तो हम कह सकते हैं फैक्टर है. और ये कह दिया इसने फैक्टर है, तो एट एनी कॉस्ट p of x 0 आएगा ही आएगा. अब p of x हमें 0 रखेंगे डियर, अगर हम p of x को 0 रखेंगे तभी तो हमें वैल्यू मिलेगी k की.
Sir, I can't hear you.
यस और नो? बिकॉज हमारे पास वैल्यू आ गई x माइनस 1, तो x की वैल्यू कितनी आ जाएगी 1. तो हर जगह पे हम 1 रख देंगे, बट हमारी चीज एक लेफ्ट रह गई k. तो अगर हम उसको 0 से इक्वेट करेंगे तभी तो हमारे पास k की वैल्यू आएगी ना डियर.
Sir, I couldn't hear you. My Wi-Fi got disconnected.
अब मेरी am I audible now?
Yes.
I'm telling you right now like this. The 0 of x minus 1 is 1. How?
Mm.
X minus 1 is 0, which means that x should be x will be equals to 1.
One.
Yes. अब सिमरत क्वेश्चन ये कह रहा है कि ये चीज फैक्टर है, which means that it will make the polynomial 0. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, that's great. So that's why I've written this thing. P of x is 0. Because अगर ये फैक्टर है तो p of x की वैल्यू 0 के बराबर ही होगी. Now put the value here. P of 1 equals to 4 into 1 cube plus 3 into 1 square minus 4 into 1 plus k equals to 0. Not 0, just let me write it. Okay. So if your value of these 4 into 1 will be 4 plus 3 into 1 will be 3 minus 4 plus k equals to 0. Clear?
Yes.
Because p of x 0 है ना, ये p of x ही तो total है. This is the whole p of x and it should be 0. We have already given this condition. So
Yes.
this negative 4 will cancel out this positive 4. Your k will be negative of 3. So your answer is negative of 3. Clear?
Yes.
Any doubt?
No.
Sure?
Yes.
Okay, dear. So Simrat, we have like the time is already over, so we have to leave this class, dear. Okay, in the next class we'll be doing the remaining part of this chapter and some more numericals about it. Actually, the class has to be conducted in this room. Okay, dear. So basically on this meeting link,